Data is pervasive. It is ubiquitous and is now growing in a manner that is difficult to gauge. For instance, every day humans generate some 2.5 quintillion bytes of data, which roughly will be equivalent to 4 trillion books, which if stacked would reach the moon and back. And the stack is only getting bigger. This tsunami of data has its own set of challenges. How does one convert this data deluge into meaningful information? And that's exactly what the Chennai-based Latent View is doing. It is providing a 360-degree view of the digital consumer, enabling companies to predict new revenue streams, anticipate product trends and popularity, improve customer retention rates, and optimize investment decisions. Founded in 2006 by three friends, Venkat Vishwanathan, Ramesh Hariharan and Pramod Jandhyala, the company has developed over 20 proprietary solutions to slice and dice consumer behavior, as also sales, finance and supply chain analytics. No wonder it has emerged as the trusted analytics partner for some of the Fortune 500 companies like Google, Microsoft, PepsiCo, PayPal and eBay. But how did the data story start?
So when we started way back in 2006, big data and AI were not really on the horizon, and that's not part of our business plan, that's not something we looked at. But what we are very confident of is, having invested a lot of time and money into building IT infrastructure and CRM systems and ERP systems, companies were reaching a tipping point in terms of needing insights, and that's really what has been the core focus of our business. As the business has evolved, big data and AI have become more important, and that's where our focus is today.
By providing a reliable and real-time analytics, the company has been able to retain 83% of its customers. And interestingly, 53% of its new business is via referrals. The primary reason for the customer stickiness is because of its investment in R&D. Latent View, which invests 5% of its revenue in R&D, has set up an in-house R&D center, Idea Labs. In addition, the company has also established a data analytics laboratory in association with IIT Madras to conduct advanced research programs in data analytics. This has aided the company to stay ahead of the technology curve. For instance, the company is currently betting big on artificial intelligence and working towards integrating it into its products and solution.
5 years from now, I expect Latent View to have grown from strength to strength, built on the strong foundation that we have built in the last 10 years. In terms of international presence, I think we would have expanded well beyond US into the European market as well, which is the next largest market. We have already taken baby steps, but I expect 5 years from now, we would have consolidated really well. And maybe Asia would also be an area for us to look at. After all, India and China are two large economies which are fast growing, and they will have latent needs as well that we can potentially address. In terms of people, I think the future is going to be combination of intelligent people with intelligent machines. So I don't see a big change in our headcount or big growth in our headcount as much as investments that we are going to do in intelligent machines, which will help us deliver to our clients.
With technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality and Internet of Things gaining momentum, Latent View certainly seems to have an edge in the marketplace, and that should keep its cash registers ringing.